Hey everyone, in this video, I will share with you that how you can transfer money to anywhere in the world in just few simple steps. So the app or the website that we are going to use in this process is Remitly. So if you don't have an account on this website, you can sign up by clicking the link in the description box, and you will get an extra $10 discount in your first transaction. So first of all, you can see that let's say I want to transfer the money to Canada. So for that, all I need is just to scroll down to the very bottom end, and you can see that there is an option to select where you want to transfer the money. Let's say I want to transfer my money to Canada, so I will just go over here and click on Canada. So after this, it will you see that it will start loading, and just wait a second, and you will see that here is the option to sending the money. So the exchange rate is pretty good. You can see that 1 USD is equal to 1.3576 Canadian dollars. So just click on send money, and from here it will ask you to provide a certain information that we need to fit. So first of all, it will ask you how many dollars you want to send. Let's say I want to go with 100 USD. So after converting, it will give me 135 Canadian dollars. So the exchange rate is pretty good, and as you can see that the first transaction, the fees is no, so you will get a complete discount on the fees. So after this, just click on the continue over here. Just wait a few seconds and it will load the next page. From here, it will ask you whether you want to transfer the money via bank or the cash pickup. So I will choose the bank deposit method in this case. So from here, you can choose the bank that you want to transfer the money to. So let's say my client is having a bank in BMO. So I will just click on BMO. So you can see that over here it will ask me to provide the account number and transit number. So I will just ask my client to provide me the account number and the transit number, and I will fill it over here. So after this, after providing those two details, it will ask me to provide the first name and the last name of recipient. So once I do this, it will ask me to provide the mobile number, but as you can see that it is an option, so I can skip this button as well. So I will just click on skip, and you see that here is another option where I just need to provide my own details. So first of all, I will just click on first name, and I will enter my first name and my last name and my date of birth. Make sure that you provide the exact name that is on your ID card and the date of birth that is on your ID card. So once you fill out that, you now need to provide your address. So just fill out the street address, your apartment suite, or unit address, which is an option. You can skip it. Uh, and after that, you can click on city and provide the city, and then your state and the zip code. So after that, just click on continue, and you will land over here. Over here, you need to provide your mobile number or your phone number. So as you can see that you can choose whether you want you are having a US mobile number or any other. So just put in the information over here and click continue. So over here you can see that there is an option whether I want to pay with a credit card or debit card, or I can choose to pay with my bank account. So let's say I want to go with my credit card or debit card. So I will just enter my card number over here, the expiration, that the security code, and my name on the card. So after this, I will just click on continue, and it will ask me for the confirmation, and it will send the money from my card to the client bank account. But let's say I want to pay with the bank account, so I will just click on the bank account instead, and it will ask me changing your payment method to bank account will change the delivery speed. So I will just click on OK, and you can see that over here it is asking me whether it is a checking or a saving bank account. So I just click on checking, and here I need to provide the routing number, the account number, and the name that is appeared on my bank account. So it's just after writing the name over here, I will just click on continue and it will ask me for the confirmation, and after doing the confirmation it will send the money to the client bank account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it is, please consider subscribing to the channel.